Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Linco is probably one of the most innovative products I've come across this year. It's designed to solve a common problem, and it does so with a level of elegance and simplicity that's truly impressive. In this video, we're going to dive deep into its features, explore its strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately determine if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Linco AM169 Photo Video Studio Light Kit. This kit includes two 24 by 24 inch softbox reflectors. They feature white diffusers to eliminate shadows and soften the light. The reflective silver interior directs light efficiently towards your subject. Also included are two 33 inch white photo umbrellas. These diffuse the studio lighting, softening shadows. This creates a better environment for product photos, videos, portraits, and broadcasting. The kit provides 4 sleek lamp holders. They are designed for easy angle adjustments. Made of durable PA material with fire-resistant sockets, they ensure safety. The umbrella hole design allows for quick setup. You'll receive a green screen backdrop kit with adjustable stands. The stands extend from 4.4 to 6.7 feet wide. It's portable, lightweight, and sturdy, perfect for photo shoots when used with the lighting kit. The kit comes with 4 30W daylight LED studio lights. They attach to the lamp holders E26 E27 sockets. These high CRI bulbs help maintain the original colors of your photos and videos. A black, white, and green screen backdrop is included to meet your needs. The design is pocket-free for easy use. It's great for studio photos, live broadcasts, video making, and gaming. Finally, there's a premium quality carrying bag. It's made of durable 420D Oxford cloth and is waterproof. It's designed to hold the entire studio photography lighting kit, making it easy to transport. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive lighting solution with softboxes, umbrellas, and multiple backdrops. It's perfect for those who need a versatile setup for various shooting scenarios. If you're looking for a complete studio in a box, this is the one for you. What people say. I was able to so easily, pack everything into the carry bag. The stands are powder coated, so they don't slip easily. The light's brightness is spot on, and the overall quality is excellent. Number 4. Linco Lincostore LED 3200 Lumens Studio Light Kit. This kit includes 3 color backdrops, black, white, and green. They are perfect for various shooting needs, giving you plenty of options for your photos and videos. The kit features 4 mini-Cirrus light holders. They have fire-resistant plastic sockets, ensuring safety during use. You can rely on them for consistent and secure lighting. It comes with lightweight 77-inch light stands. The stands are adjustable, allowing you to set the perfect height. They also provide great stability for your setup. The kit includes premium 24 by 24 softbox reflectors and high-quality umbrellas. These tools help to diffuse the light, creating soft and flattering illumination for your subjects. It comes with a durable carrying bag. The bag is made from water-resistant 420D Oxford cloth. This makes it easy to transport and protects the equipment. What we like. With its powerful 3200 lumens output, this kit ensures bright and well-lit shots. The included carrying bag makes it easy to transport. If you often shoot on location or need a portable setup, it is a great choice. What people say. Used this to photograph a museum-grade collection, and while inexpensive, it worked very well. Amazing how compactly this all packs down, too. This set includes everything you need for photography and video production, lights and backdrops. The lights work great, and the stands are of good quality. Number 3. Linco 9 by 20 foot Backdrop Stand Kit 4166. This is the Linco backdrop stand, perfect for parties and events. It's designed to provide a professional background for photos and videos. The stand offers a generous 9 feet high and 20 feet wide setup. It's built to be extra heavy-duty, ensuring stability and reliability. The kit includes adjustable stands, ranging from 3 to 9 feet in height. This allows you to customize the setup to your specific needs. It features a 20-foot crossbar, made up of 8 sections. This provides ample width for various backdrop sizes. A high-quality carrying bag is included for easy transport and storage. This makes it convenient to take it wherever you go. It's ideal for wedding parties, stage decorations, and photography studio use. This system is a versatile solution for all your backdrop needs. What we like. This stand provides a robust and expansive backdrop solution, perfect for large group photos or events. The adjustable height offers flexibility. If you need a reliable backdrop system for parties or studio work, consider this. What people say. The design and materials are quite impressive for the price. Included bag has separate compartments. Worth every single penny and have a really nice hammered powder coat that looks awesome and feels extremely sturdy. Number 2. Linco AM174 Photo Video Studio Light Kit. This AM174 kit offers a wide range of lighting possibilities. It's perfect for both photographers and videographers, giving them the flexibility they need. The zippered opening design ensures a secure fit. This prevents light leaks, giving you precise control over your lighting. Easily adjust the height and width of the background bracket. This allows you to accommodate various backdrop sizes, making setup simple. Designed for user-friendly assembly and disassembly. This kit is convenient for both beginners and professionals. Unleash your artistic vision with this kit. It provides the tools to experiment and create stunning visual effects. The lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport. You can set it up in different shooting locations with ease. What we like. This kit provides versatile lighting options and precise control over your shots. The easy setup makes it ideal for both beginners and professionals. If you want to unleash your creativity with stunning visual effects, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Linco is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are user-friendly. Number 1. String Sextet Second String Quartet Piano Quintet. This piece is a beautiful composition for 6 string instruments. It showcases the interplay between the instruments, creating a rich and complex sound. You'll be captivated by its harmonies. This quartet is a stunning work for 4 string instruments. It demonstrates the composer's mastery of the string quartet form. The piece is full of emotion and technical brilliance. This quintet combines the piano with 4 string instruments. It creates a powerful and dynamic sound. The piece is a wonderful example of collaboration between instruments. It's a great choice for those who appreciate the depth and complexity of string music. This piece is sure to leave a lasting impression. You will love it. The quartet is a must-listen for any classical music enthusiast. The piece is a testament to the composer's skill and vision. It's a truly remarkable work. The quintet is a perfect blend of piano and string instruments. It's a piece that will move you. It's a truly unforgettable musical experience. What we like. This is a great collection of musical pieces. If you are a fan of chamber music, you should consider this. What people say. The Linco is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.